morning, smart investors. Wherever you are watching in life, this is your most trusted property provider in the built environment. I am not going about you. So I'm here to reiterate about the real estate investment. It's one good investment when you venture into. You have steady income flow and also give you a leverage over every other investment you can think of. This is why I'm inviting you to look into this direction to invest into landed property. Currently, we are running promo in some of our selected estates that will run through the end of this year. So it's an for opportunity smart investors for you to invest into this landed property. One thing about real estate investment is that they give you peace of mind, steady income flow, and not insecure, since it has to do with a trusted company like ours. So these are the properties we are currently running promo on to run through the year 2025. Take advantage of this very opportunity. You don't need big amount. You can start with 150,000, 200,000, 500,000, 1.5 million naira to commence the process of buying into this estate. As you can see from the screen displaying, call me to start the process. Thank you very much. Do have a perfect day ahead. Bye for now.